right, let's go out back.
What?
Let's go out back. Come on, Duke. Duke, come on. This way, come on. Hey y'all, just wanted to show you guys something on the GoPro Hero 9. I picked up. It's a pretty cool little GoPro. I added a bunch of little accessories, but I'm gonna use this for a lot of my like fishing future content. It has a couple different modes, but the mode that right now that I have it recording in is a super wide mode, so you can kind of get to see a lot. And you can kind of see here on the front of the GoPro that I have a lens filter on there. And I don't know how much the sun is actually affecting it, but it's supposed to be a polarized lens filter, so I kind of get to see what that looks like after I get done making this video, and how well the sun is going to be affecting it. And so GoPro Hero 9, I have a case that goes around it with this muff on it and a mic. And you kind of see the mic there. The GoPro itself has a built-in mic, but it's not quite as good. And if you add an accessory for the mic, it helps with the sound and any wind, cutting out the wind, that kind of things when you're doing your outdoor recording if you don't have a mic on yourself. So that's kind of cool to have with the GoPro here. And then another thing that I kind of had with the GoPro is I wanted something that was going to be shoulder mounted and not chest mounted, because when I do a lot of my videos, I do a lot of fishing, anything that's chest mounted, well, essentially when I'm casting, my hands would be in the way of like right up in here on my chest while I'm casting. So this mount that I got, you can move it down to your chest, you can move it to the side of your body over here, you can move it, you know, wherever you want to position. I can position it on this side of my shoulder, and I can be able to record without my hands or anything else being in the way. So whenever I am doing any kind of fishing or any kind of outdoors content, you guys can get a full view on what I'm recording. So I just wanted to show you this on the GoPro Hero 9. It's a pretty cool little setup. It's not you know, it's not very hard to kind of understand or getting used to it or whatever. So the accessories that I got on this one, like I said, is just a case that goes around the whole GoPro with the mic that goes on top with the muff. And I have it recording right now. And then the lens cap. And then I got this harness here. The last thing that I had the GoPro doing is you can kind of see in the back here. I can't really show you that well. There's a cord or a cable that's hooked to it, and it goes around my back, and it kind of comes around my side here. But essentially that cable goes to my pocket. And that cable is hooked to this little charging pack right here. And I just put it in my pocket, put it all behind me. When you do your recording, I'm trying to get my kids back over here. Come on, y'all. When you do your recording, it has a 15-second little delay feature. So basically, I don't have to be recording all day and go through hours of footage. You can have it set to 15 seconds or 30 seconds where it pre-records for you all the time. But anything after that, it pretty much starts erasing. So you're not just keeping 15, you know, anything past 15 or 30 seconds of recording the whole time and going through, you know, tons of, you know, maybe an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of footage to find one little piece. You can just record those quick moments, which is kind of cool about the GoPro Hero 9. So I have it set up for that feature, but right now I'm continuously recording because I kind of wanted to see what the quality looks like. With the lens cap on it that I added, the polarized lens cap, and then just see how you guys can see what it looks like when I'm actually walking around. I have it where it has a feature on it right now where it stabilizes the background, so while I'm walking it doesn't look so bouncy and stuff. So yep, if you guys are curious, it's the GoPro Hero 9, and it's a pretty cool little GoPro. I don't know, just me testing it around, playing with it for a few days. It's just something that I've kind of liked so far, and I think it's going to be really cool to be able to record some videos from a different perspective and not just like a chest mount. So if you guys want to pick it up, I'll put all of the item descriptions, you know, Amazon affiliate links, but I'll put them in the description of this video. You guys can kind of go down, look up in there, and just look at the little list layout if you want to pick it out. It would help support my channel, and just, you know, just keep an eye out for any other future content that I kind of put out. If you guys would like and subscribe to the video, it would just help me out whenever I go to make anything in the future, just more YouTube content and stuff like that for you guys, so help grow my channel more. So if you guys are curious about the GoPro Hero 9, just yeah, check it out for yourself. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you next time. Say bye, Elia.